The coming of the computerized coin, AMP, in the year 2020 is a huge commitment by DeFi to the whole world. Not on the grounds that there are very few late players during the pandemic, but since relatively few have decided to work from an alternate organization through and through. Standing a class separated as far as beginning and execution, AMP is known to run on Fleexa network, collateralizing installments as a computerized token. Likewise, there is an itemized AMP price prediction referenced here. A definitive goal of this token being unequivocally something very similar to ensure exchanges and innate information, making them more moment and secure. Based on the Ethereum blockchain as per the ERC20 standard for tokens, AMP provides clients with the comfort of trading in fiat or some other computerized monetary standards. What makes AMP unique? Fleexa organization's local symbolic AMP has made moment installment approvals conceivable, stopping the course of exchanges. It is to the client's honor that they can stake and ensure on any type of significant worth trade, be it computerized installments, government-issued money trade, credit disseminations, property deals. From there, the sky is the limit. A devoted class of specialists and financial backers has an AMP, the organization's local symbolic co-created by Fleexa organization and consensus. A thought that changed into a progressive ERC20 token making waves on the AMP crypto trade and such comparative innovations. AMP token. The lesser known facts. A significant in addition to of AMP is that one can execute rates as the organization extends, adding to a marvelous expansion in the quantity of excavators. Upheld by a powerful and high transmission capacity public blockchain stage, the issue AMP has tended to is the openness issues and catching fake or deceptive exchanges by peers, wherein an affirmed block can follow the former block. AMP is an Ethereum-based token, and it goes about as guarantee for installments that are made utilizing the Fleexa network and such comparable innovations. The underpinning of AMP is altogether dependent on the numerical consistency of the whole blockchain-empowered exchange, which is cross-checked without uncovering any information or message on the other party associated with the exchange. Thus security deterrents are captured first. A notable trademark that hangs out in this convention is that it guarantees liquidity and guarantees lightning-quick speed of exchanges on the organization. This detectable quality makes it exceptional, contrasted with other Ethereum-based decentralized finance conventions, and, simultaneously, lays out a plenty of mining roads. Consequently, it wouldn't be an exaggeration to name the capability of AMP tokens as impetuses in carrying out shrewd agreements and move reserves. AMP token. Technical analysis. Going by the specialized investigation, AMP cost has had a noteworthy journey since its send-off, which could be the principal justification for its prominence. The ongoing cost of AMP remains at $0.05174, with a market cap of $2,182,644,204.40. The 24 hours exchanging volume of AMP coin remains at $96,102,579.91, with a circling supply of 42,227,702,186 AMP. In view of verifiable information, the coin has begun its excursion at $0.0095, and it supported this cost level till February 2021. Afterward, it enlisted an unexpected spike and crossed $0.039. From that point onward, it kept on exchanging tolerably till June. On June 16, AMP recorded an unequaled high of $0.1211. Nonetheless, from that point forward, the coin denoted a sharp drop and retested to $0.039. At present, in July, the token checks significant recuperation and keeps on exchanging around $0.073. It was low when contrasted with every one of the coins. AMP crypto price prediction. Crypto market sentiment. In view of our AMP cost expectations, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost visualization for 2026 is $0.230. With a 5-year venture, the income of AMP cryptographic money is supposed to be around plus 510.13%. Toward the start of December 2022, the AMP cost may be around $0.078, according to our AMP figure. Greatest cost $0.078, least cost $0.065. The typical AMP estimate toward the month's end is $0.070. The cost of AMP is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $0.075 in the primary portion of 2022. The AMP cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.088, with a typical cost of $0.078 all through 2022. AMP cost began in 2022 at $0.042. Today, the ongoing cost of AMP is exchanged at $0.05178, so the cost expanded by 16.16% from the very start of the year. The estimated typical AMP cost forecast toward the finish of 2022 is $0.2581. The ascent from today to year-end. Plus 169%. In the primary portion of 2023, the AMP cost will move to $0.1015. In the last part, the cost would be $0.2435 and constantly ended would be $0.2931. AMP has been shielding its ongoing position well against the market-wide instability. Starting from the primary portion of 2022, the AMP coin cost will see numerous bullish positions, which are higher than the past one. In the present moment to mid-term situation for our AMP coin cost expectation 2022, the normal AMP cost examination needs to break past the retracement level at $0.095. Our drawn-out AMP conjecture is bullish. Considerably more, it has a high chance of arriving at another record-breaking high this year. Through latest things, investor opinion, and the general course of the AMP digital money market capitalization, we think it, AMP, has a long-haul procuring potential and a decent possibility, visiting the 65 cents to $0.085 mark in 2022, as long as the pattern proceeds, and this will make it a wise speculation. By taking a gander at the extremely late cost changes in AMP, our gauge framework predicts AMP could be generally $0.05091 tomorrow as an end cost. In light of the AMP authentic cost information, we foresee the AMP cost could be $0.06084 toward the finish of 2022. AMP cost will keep on being valued by digital currency financial backers, with a strong exchanging rise cost to date, showing potential for clients arriving at a value ascent of $0.0728024 over this year, because of fixed supply. AMP price forecast. 2022 to 2026. The vertical pattern has